everyday life, and today I will speak about the application of maths in driving. Maths helps you know how fast you need to go to reach a place at a certain time. Speed equals to distance by time. Maths also helps the driver to determine when to slam the brakes to avoid hitting an object.
Fractions are parts of whole. The numerator tells us how many parts we have, and the denominator tells us the total number of parts. In our daily life, we use different fractions to measure the ingredients while cooking, like half a cup of flour. We also express our money in fractions, such as 50 fils as half a dirham, and express discounts of 50% as half price. Interestingly, we also demand our food in fractions, like I want half a pizza, for better or worse.
One day I wanted to give my friend 1910 dirhams, so I gave her the following money denominations. I gave her 1000 note, 500, 200 note and 100 note. Then I gave her a 20 dirham note and 3/10. Then I gave her 10 notes of 5 dirhams and I gave her 10 coins of 1 dirham. All of these money add up to 1910 dirhams. So this is how money is used in real life.
We all use geometry everywhere. For example, we all use GPS like Google Maps. GPS uses geometry in form of longitude and latitude to know the place on the whole earth. We all play games 3D and 2D. The AI in the computer uses vector geometry to determine the direction and the position of the players.
We can relate the topic data handling with the current pandemic coronavirus by the number of infected, recovered and deaths. We can represent it in forms of pie chart, bar graph, pictograph, tally chart and line graph. This way of representing will be easily understandable for everyone.
Today I'm going to tell you about division. What is division? Division is the action to separate something into parts. So let's take an example. This is a divisor, which means the number we have to divide from. This is a dividend, a number from which we are dividing. The quotient is the answer and remainder is the leftover part of the division. So these were the properties of division.
Today I'm going to show you how you use patterns in daily life without even noticing them. You don't believe me? I'll show you. Chessboards have patterns. Soup bowls have patterns too. Glasses have patterns. Door hangers have patterns also. Now you believe me? Thanks for watching.
Well, I have a card game. It's called Blackjack. So let's start. So as you can see on the table, one card is closed and one card is open for the dealer. And for me, both the cards are open. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So he wants to open his card and it's 6 plus 10 equals 16. So now it's my turn. I want another card. So I get 5. 14 plus 5 is 19. So I want to stop. Now the dealer wants another card and he gets 9. So 9 plus 16 equals 25. So he's busted. So this is all a game of cards and how mathematics is important to our daily lives. Thank you.
resource that is not renewable. Yes, that is time. Whether you are an Indian, American, Emirati or Hindu, Christian, Muslim or black, brown or even white, it doesn't matter. You only have 24 hours in a day. We all laugh at Kumbhakarna because he sleeps half of his life. But do you know that we are all Kumbhakarnas?
We sleep 8 hours per day. An average person with lifespan of 70 years spends 23 years for sleeping. To spend your time wisely.